Hi guys, this is RJ De Vera, your Mrs. Filipinas 2023 representing Hirona Tarlac. And yeah, my advocacy in this pageant is to change the mindset of every people, especially here in the Philippines, no, when it comes in failures and disappointment. And because karamihan ng mga tao kapag nakaka-experience sila ng mga failures and hardships sa buhay nila, nag-give up, nawawalan ng pag-asa. And I myself have experienced those kind of situations, and I would like to lead by an example. That's why I'm here, to influence and to empower a lot of people in those kinds of situations. Kaya nakita nyo, guys, maraming beses tayo sa pala ng pageant. Natatalo tayo palagi pero hindi tayo sumusuko. Ganyan ang mga mindset ng I believe that all of us are destined to be successful. Pero yun lang, wag tayong sumuko kapag nagkaroon tayo ng failures. Ayun yung sa tingin ko magiging advocacy ko